Improve your spoken English just by practicing 5 minutes every day up to next 30 days. In today's video, I am going to talk about one of my personal favorite method, Braveheart method. This method is completely based on broken English. If you don't have any English speaking partner, if you don't have any sort of ideas that where should I start English speaking from, then this method is going to work magically, because this method is completely based on your confidence. Okay, this method is for the people who have been waiting for the right time, like when my sentence formation will be okay, when my pronunciation will be completely correct, then only I would start speaking English. This method is for you, my friends. You should take action right now, because one of my friends, he is from Punjab, and he has started crying and said, "Yaar, I'm literally frustrated because it's been 3 times I have been rejected in all my interviews." However, he is very brilliant. So I want to tell you, if you learn English in emergency cases before 7 days of your interviews, then you will feel very demotivated and you will waste everything. So you should take immediate action right now, right here. Okay, my friends, when I was learning English speaking, that time I was waiting for the perfect time, like I am from Jharkhand, my pronunciation is not good, nobody would love me, and I was literally very frustrated. So I was waiting for the next day, tomorrow, and that tomorrow never came. And finally, I had to practice this method, Braveheart method. And this method completely saved my life, to be honest, because I started with my broken English. This method means you should break your silence. Broken English is much better than your silence. Broken English is much better than waiting for tomorrow. Okay, so I started with my broken English. I was just speaking sometime yesterday, I will go to market. I knew it was incorrect, but still I tried my best, and now you can see I am speaking English spontaneously. Do you know the reason? The reason was fearlessness. The reason was I took action immediately rather wasting for the tomorrow. Okay, my friends, so now let me share with you how you can do this method. If you do this method, then first of all, take your phone, just close your all doors, and just be relaxed, take a deep breath in, and turn on your mobile camera up to next 5 minutes. Set a timer for 5 minutes, and in the first time, don't put pressure on yourself. Okay, just be relaxed. I am always with you, and whatever the problems you have, you can comment me. I reply to all of your comments. I also talk on WhatsApp with you in free, right? So don't worry at all. Okay, my friends, so I want to tell you, like just set a timer for 5 minutes. After that, choose any of the topic. Let's say the topic name is the power of English speaking or content creation or anything. Then after that, you should, when you record the video, then focus on the mistakes. What are the mistakes I am making repeatedly? Like am I using the past tenses mistakes, or am I using incorrectly? I am pronouncing words here incorrect. So you should figure out by yourself, and believe me, practice in a wrong direction, it is a trap. Most of the language learners, they call me, "Sir, I have been practicing for 3 years, 2 years, 10 years, but why haven't you improved yourself yet?" Because you are practicing in a wrong direction. So you should focus the right way of learning. Okay, my friends, now let me share with you one more thing. First thing, when you review your all videos after recording, when you listen to that video, then try to note it down, the problems. Okay, every day try to sort out only 1 to 2 problems. That would be enough, more than enough for you, and do this method up to next 30 days. And in the first 1 week, you'd feel like I'm totally demotivated, I am not seeing any results. So the first week, it's my personal opinion, you would see no any results. Okay, the first week your goal should be breaking the ice. You should at least speak anything randomly. You used to become silent all time. You used to think about tomorrow, but now you are one step far ahead, because you tried at least today. So you have achieved something new. Okay, my friends, now let me show you how you can do this. Let's say there is a topic like how to the power of English speaking or anything. You can say like English is not only a language, it is a personality nowadays. If I am in trap in my life and I know English, then I can get out of the comfort zone. I can make money through English, because nowadays degrees are not compulsory. I should focus on my skills, because if you have English speaking skills, then you can create YouTube channel and you can make a lot of money in your life. Okay, you don't need any DLED, PhD or other degrees. Even people, they have done their PhDs and their communication is so poor. And if you want to do freelancing, content creation, or doing if you want to do any job like HR, you want to go in travel and tourism industry, then you must know English, right? So and English is surrounded in all over your life, so you should just enjoy English speaking. Now the challenges with English speaking, sometimes, when you would speak English, then you would feel very demotivated, because at initial phase, whatever you start, it is totally new for you and you don't have idea like what should I do the next. You will forget words, you will able to speak only one line, two line, and your sentence formation will be completely ups and down, and you will feel exhausted. But still you must not quit at that time, because you should wait for your own time that would become in the future what you have expected so far. Okay, my friends, and now I want to tell you my personal life. Okay, so this is how you can speak as I spoke. Okay, you can take pause, speak, but remember one thing, every day you should improve the speed slowly and slowly. The first day you should express your emotion in a slow way. The next day you can speed up a little bit more than the yesterday, and this is how you can grow yourself. Okay, now let me share with you my personal experience. When I created my YouTube channel, that time I used to record videos in jungle. Even currently I am recording, because jungle is my favorite place. I am little bit shy, so I love recording videos in jungle, because nobody is looking at me. I am alone with the nature beauty. Okay, so when I was standing with my hand stick, I had only one mobile. So I thought like, oh my god, how could I connect with a lot of language learners? How can I make money using my English speaking skill? It is very tough for me. And then I felt very demotivated, because up to the worst thing of content creation is for the next 6 months, 3 months, 4 months, you will have to face the camera, you will have to work hard for everything, but still you will not get any views. Okay, so I was getting only maximum 1 to 20 views in my each videos, like up to next 6 months. And one video changed my completely mindset and all. It paid off. The video title was, how I learned English 10x faster using ChatGPT. And from the time now, you can see that the confidence, I am earning money, enjoying my life. So the first phase up to next 6 months, I saw no any result, but it didn't mean that I must have quit the situation. No, I kept on going. I enjoyed my journey alone. I have earbuds now, you can see, in my pocket. And then after that I put my earbuds and go on listening. I love listening music, but not Bollywood music. I love listening like Hollywood theme music. Okay, so that I can feel the king of this jungle. The Braveheart method is inspired by Braveheart movie, which was the William Wallace movie. Okay, means fearlessness. You must not taking care of others opinion, like, oh my god, he will judge me, my pronunciation is bad, my words are not coming to my mind, I am unable to use exact words while speaking, my emotions are breaking. So at that time this method will support you. Okay, so I just enjoyed my journey, and I have been enjoying my journey. This is not the end, this is the beginning. And most of the people, they always say me, so you don't upload videos on regular basis, you are not too much consistent. Dear friend, consistency doesn't mean to upload videos regularly. Consistency means to add values in your life. If I would upload videos every day on daily basis, and I would speak like, hello guys, this is tree and I have come to my jungle, you can see my jungle is so beautiful, and this is like, would you like the video? it is like kid. Okay, so I want to add values in your life. That's the reason I never say in my videos like you should like my channel, you should subscribe my channel. I don't have any editing. My thumbnail is not professional, so most of the people they comment me and say, sir, I can make thumbnail for you, I would charge. So I said, it's okay dear, my audience, they are very loyal and they know my reality, that I don't know too much editing and I never reveal my name as well. But still I am very happy, because I don't want name and fame and all, because my goal is to solve your problem, and in future I will reveal my name for sure. By the way, it was really nice talking with you. You should follow the techniques what I shared with you. You should set a timer for 5 minutes and then start speaking just by choosing any of your favorite topics, and review your video where did you make mistakes or whatever, but never repeat the same mistakes. Okay my friends, and believe me, once you do it, then nobody can stop you from expressing yourself. You don't need to wait for any perfect English speaking partner. You don't need to join any spoken classes. You must take action from right now, from the day 1 till next 30 days. And whatever the mistakes you'd make, whatever the feelings you'd have, if you are unable to share even with your boyfriend, girlfriend, brother, sister, mother, father, I am with you. You can share with me, you can comment me, I would reply you. We will grow together. Okay, so thank you so much. May God bless you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.